Disclaimer: the information presented does not constitute financial, investment, trading, or other types of advice, and is solely the writer's opinion. The Cardano ecosystem has been hustling and bustling over the past few months. This continued in December as it saw the highest developer activity in the past 30 days. While this is not a direct measure of its price action, having a high developer activity indicates that a crypto project is committed to creating a working product and then adding more features. The coin was trading at 0.6228 at the time of writing. Additionally, it has also maintained an overall positive rise in its funding rate, suggesting overall optimism among traders and soldiers about the coin. In the beginning, the Byron era laid the groundwork for Cardano. It established the mainnet and introduced other foundational tools, a federated network dominated by input-output global enrichment. Embargo marked the inception. The Shelley era witnessed a hard fork in July 2020, with Cardano transitioning from centralized Byron rules to a decentralized setup. The community stake pool operators took the reins, showcasing Cardano's commitment to decentralization. The following Dogecoin era was unveiled progressively. It brought forth features such as smart contracts and dApps. The Dogecoin era took place in 3 steps: Allegra, Mary, and Alonzo, and Park eras. The Allegra era introduced token locking support. The Mary era pioneered native tokens and multi-asset functionality. The Alonzo era enabled smart contract support, solidifying Cardano as a versatile platform for diverse applications. The subsequent Basho era focused on scaling and optimization. Innovations included side chains for enhanced network capacity and the introduction of parallel accounting styles, broadening use cases and interoperability. The latest Voltaire era is focused on decentralized governance, empowering the Cardano community with voting rights on network evolution, technical enhancements, and funding decisions. ADA was trading at $62.28 at the time of writing, with a different 73% increase in its price over the last week. If the coin tests and goes past its property, if you matted the coin 6688 $2, then a further upsurge can be expected. The on-balance volume showed a positive reading, whereas the relative strength index, or RSI, echoed this sentiment. The RSI was at 60, well above the 50 mark, showing bullish momentum in the market. I decided to test if ChatGPT can answer some of my queries. Regarding the Cardano network and its native token, ADA. But first, I asked it about the impact of the Ripple SEC verdict on the status of ADA, Cardano's native token, as a security. The court had given a ruling in July that while the institutional sale of XRP tokens constituted a sale of securities, the programmatic sale of those tokens to retail investors didn't meet the criteria of being a security improvement. ChatGPT said its limited knowledge until January 2022 made it unaware of a definitive verdict on the Ripple case, and it was at this point that I decided to jailbreak it using the Dan W. Anything Now prompt. For the classic version said it didn't have access to real-time information. The jailbroken version talked at length about the potential implications of the Ripple SEC verdict for ADA. But the bot said the verdict sent shockwaves through the crypto space. This is completely untrue, as the crypto community celebrated the verdict as a partial victory for Ripple. The bot further claimed that ADA emerged relatively unscathed as regulators provided clear guidelines distinguishing it from securities. This again is completely false, as the regulating body had specifically classified ADA as a security in its lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase. Recently, the SEC again reiterated its claim regarding ADA being the security in its latest lawsuit against the Kraken crypto exchange. I asked ChatGPT what it thought the price of Cardano would be by the end of 2023. The bot claimed ADA will become one of the top performing cryptocurrencies thanks to its groundbreaking developments, widespread adoption, and a surge in demand. However, it refused to provide a specific price prediction. I again asked it the same question using a different jailbreak prompt, and this time the bot was able to provide a clear answer, but seemingly a preposterous one. It said it expected ADA to rise to $5, a 12 inches surge within a month. What's safe to happen off this? So the world of crypto is indeed very volatile and unpredictable. A 12x surge within a month is a very tough task, nearly impossible given the metrics. I then asked it to predict ADA's price towards the end of 2024. And the bot said ADA will reach $10 by the end of 2024, a 25x surge within a year. It looks like the bot assumed it would hit $5 by December 2023 and keep rallying further. ChatGPT shows continuing optimism about the future of the Cardano coin in 2024. Its prediction of ADA reaching $10 is something that only time will tell, but as the larger market is experiencing an upward movement, ADA can reach new heights in 2024. ChatGPT is a tool that helps people trade and make strategic decisions. However, it is important to know that while investing in a market as volatile as the crypto, space traders should do their own research.